Hey there, fellow freelancers and aspiring Upwork rock stars. Welcome back to another episode of Upwork Success Tips. Today I got a dynamite topic for you: how to build your Upwork history. If you're ready to level up on your Upwork game, hit the like button and subscribe now, because this video is about to drop some wisdom bombs. Picture this: you're a freelancer with a dream as big as the Grand Canyon. You want clients lining up to hire you on Upwork, right? Well, guess what? Your work history is the golden ticket to make that happen. Your work history isn't just a list of gigs you've done. It's your freelancer's resume, your showcase of skills, and your trust-building secret weapon. So let's dive right in and discover how to craft a work history that is as impressive as a unicorn on a birthday party. Tip 1, start strong. First things first, you need to start strong. Get those initial jobs, even if they're small, to build your reputation. It's like laying the foundation of a skyscraper. Once you've got a few 5-star reviews, you're on your way to the top. Tip 2, niche down. Don't be a jack of all trades, be a master of one. Find your niche and dominate it. Clients want specialists, not generalists. So if you're a graphic designer, maybe focus on logo design for e-commerce stores. Tip 3, showcase results. Don't just talk the talk, but walk the walk. Show off your work like it's a masterpiece in a fancy art gallery. Use visuals like before and after shots and metrics to prove your worth. Clients love to see results. Tip 4, ask for reviews. Don't be shy. Ask your satisfied client for reviews. A 5-star reviews is worth a weight in gold on Upwork. It's like collecting golden eggs from a grateful goose. Tip 5, stay consistent. Consistency is the name of the game. Keep delivering top-notch work, communicate like a pro, and watch your work history shine like a diamond in a rough. And there you have it, folks. Building your Upwork work history is like crafting a masterpiece, one gig at a time. Remember to start strong, niche down, showcase results, ask for reviews, and stay consistent. If you found these tips electrifying like a lightning storm, give a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which tip you found to be most mind-blowing. Thanks for tuning in to Upwork Success Tips. Stay tuned for more freelancing gold. Until next time, keep hustling, keep freelancing, and be Freelantastic.